Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a security researcher has talked about a behavior of Microsoft Edge that he deems to be kind of dangerous. Now, this comes from a story from Windows Central. And basically, what happens is that when you start using Microsoft Edge, all your credentials, passwords that are stored, which normally are encrypted, are all decrypted and in plain text in a part of RAM memory. It is the only Chromium browser that does this. And like the security researcher says, if you have no virus and no malware, yeah, okay, it's true that it's not really a problem. But he states that if malware exists, they could simply take a photocopy or shot or screenshot of your RAM memory, basically all that's stored, and you would go through there and see not only yours, but if you have profiles, for example, in Microsoft Edge, you would see the credentials and the passwords of every user on Microsoft Edge. Now, Microsoft was asked about this behavior, and Microsoft says it's normal. But why is it the only Chromium browser to do this? So this is kind of interesting, and maybe, if you're not infected by malware, it's not that bad. It's still a problem. I don't see why every time Edge opens, even the credentials that you don't use. So if you have passwords for websites that you don't use during a session, during a day, during a week, well, every time you open Edge, that the passwords will be in the open, clear, in text, in RAM memory. So that is a very weird behavior that I don't think is, something that should happen. So hopefully, with the talk about this, Microsoft might do something eventually. Like everybody says, it's the only browser that does that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.